Welcome back everyone. So in one of our previous videos I showed you how to create awesome mockups on Figma using plugins, but a couple of our friends have asked us how to do it on Adobe XD. So here is a quick video on that. So I'm going to show you two methods, or let's say two plugins here. The first one is going to be a very quick and easy way to do it. So it's just plug and play. And the second one is more of an advanced, or let's say a freestyle, because you can use any mockups from the internet. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for this demo purpose, I'm going to use the screenshot from Nike Running Club app, and let's try to use this and create the mockups. So the first plugin I'm going to use is called as Rotato. So as you can see here, so if you don't have this installed, you can just head towards plugin tab and you have this plus icon. Just search for the plugin name and just install it. Pretty simple. And once you have it installed, you can find this here. So here is Rotato. All you got to do is just click on the screen or the artboard and you have the option which says send to Rotato. So once you click on this, you will be jumping on this screen right here. So you have this loaded up. So as you can see, a new project or a new file opens up with your screen or the artboard loaded here. So you can just click and just drag it and rotate it in 3D space, and it works really very smooth. So that's really cool. And as you can see, this is a freemium version, and that is why we have this tag. So if you pay for the premium, you get some awesome features, but still you have a lot of features in the freemium version itself. So you can change the background color into any color that you like. You can even put transparent. That's really cool. So then you have the device color, so you can choose any device color that you want, and you have this clay option, so you can set a clay type or a reflective type. Then you have lighting. So those are different options. And then you also have this cool option called as labels. Just show you an example here. So let's say I type in amazing app here, and I will give this as Nike. And as you can see, the text rotates along with the rotation of the device. So that's a really cool thing. So you get that depth and that levitation of that. And you also have these options of changing the levitation, the size of the font and all that stuff. So you can play around with that. And then you have these preset device positions. Okay, so once you click on this, you get these standard device positions that are available, or you can rotate it and put any angle that you like. And then the best part about this is it also has animations. So this is really cool. Once you click on animation, you have these preset templates. So or also you can add your own keyframes and rotate it. So this is the option for keyframe, but let's go with the template here. So I can just click on this add option and it just adds those different template animations, and you can just play it here and see how cool it looks. So you can basically make a whole amazing app promo out of this particular app, and that's going to look really cool. So as you can see here, so once you like everything, you can just head towards the export option here. And if you're looking for just a image or a snapshot, you can go for this option, or if you're on the video, you can go for the video option as well. So that's all about the Rotato plugin. And now let's head towards the next one. So here we are back on Adobe XD, and I already have a mockup taken from the internet. So as you can see here, this is the mockup that we are going to use. So I'm just going to place it here. So for getting these mockups, there are a lot of websites. You can actually head towards our own website here. So this is designextreme.com, and on the left you have these options here. So head towards device mockups, and you have these couple of sites. So you have these free options which are mockup for free, mockup club. So once you head towards these, you can basically search for different mockups. So this is a collection of all type of mockups. You can search for particular type of mockup, like let's say I want a mobile mockup. Just search for that and you'll find a ton of them. So these are really cool, right? You can check all of these, and most of them are free. So it's a really cool website. So I'll be adding more of these and updating the site. So make sure you have a check on these tabs here. So let's head back to Adobe XD and see how to work around with this. So once you find a mockup, bring it onto XD and then go to the layers panel. Basically in most of the mockups, you find these different layers here, which basically has mask or replace me or mockup here. So you got to search for layers like these, and it's going to be really easy to use those. But if you don't have that and it's just an image, don't worry. You can always use the pen tool and just try to draw a shape around the device where you want it, and that should be enough for us to place the mockup. But in this case, we already have this layer here, so let's try to use this one. So all you got to do is just select the layer here and head towards plugins, and now we're going to use a plugin called as Angle. So just search for this and install it, and then you have this option called as Apply Mockup. Click on that, and then you have an option to select the artboard that you want to place here. So in this case, it is Nike Mockup. So this is the artboard's name. Just select that, and then you have the pixel density on how much resolution you wanted. Then you want the quality, so I'll leave it at best. And this orientation is basically the angle at which the device is. Currently the device, it's rotated to the right, so you want to use this rotate right option. And if you're confused about this orientation, don't worry, you just have three options. So just play around with these three and you'll be able to get the right one. And all you got to do is just click on apply. But you get an error like this sometimes, so don't worry about that. That is because the layer that you want is in a masked group. So I purposefully wanted to show you this error. So head towards your layers panel and then just copy this out of the mask because it's currently inside a mask group, right? So just copy that and bring it onto the artboard. Now it is outside the mask layer and now you'll be able to apply it. So again, just repeat the process, going to plugins, apply mockup. So all selected at 2x and then the orientation at rotate right and apply. So now it's all set and now the plugin is basically working and we should have the mockup on the device in a couple of seconds. And there you go guys, we have the mockup applied on the device. But if you zoom in and see that the corners are sharp and it's going outside the screen layer, and that is because we have not put it inside the mask. So once this is done, all you got to do is just select this, head towards layers tab, you have it outside, just cut it and select the mask layer or the layer inside the mask and just paste it inside that, and there you go, you have this all properly set, you have the notch being seen and everything is properly set. You can use this at any place that you want and just resize it or do whatever you want. So that's all about how to use this. So as I mentioned, if you don't have this layers, all you got to do is just use your pen tool and draw the path around this and just apply it. So yeah, I think I covered pretty much about this. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.